Are you trying to decide between Trello and ClickUp? You're not alone. Many people wonder which tool is better for managing their projects. In this video, we'll compare Trello and ClickUp to help you make an informed choice. Both tools are popular for project management, but they have different features and strengths. Trello is known for its simple card based layout. It uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize tasks visually. You can easily move cards around and track progress. It's great for teams that enjoy a straightforward approach. On the other hand, ClickUp offers a more robust set of features. It combines tasks, docs, goals, and chat all in one place. This makes it suitable for teams that need more than just a basic task manager. ClickUp is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your workflow. Now, let's talk about the key differences. Trello is more user friendly and easier to set up. It's perfect for small teams or personal projects. ClickUp, however, is better for larger teams or complex projects. It has more features and can handle various project types. When it comes to features, Trello focuses on task management with its card system. ClickUp offers task management, time tracking, and document sharing. If you need more tools in one place, ClickUp might be the way to go. Pricing is another important factor. Trello has a free version, but its paid plans are limited. ClickUp also offers a free version with more features available in their paid plans. In the end, if you want simplicity, go for Trello. If you need advanced features and customization, ClickUp is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.